Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for a delivery driver account in the UK. Becoming a delivery driver in the UK has become one of the most flexible and convenient ways to earn money, especially with the rise of food delivery services like Deliveroo, Uber Eats, and Just Eat. This type of work allows you to choose your own schedule, work as much or as little as you like, and often get paid weekly. It's ideal for students, part-time workers, freelancers, or anyone looking to supplement their income. Delivery drivers use their own vehicles such as bicycles, electric bikes, scooters, cars, or cargo bikes, and they rely on mobile apps to receive and complete orders. To succeed as a delivery driver, you need to have a smartphone, basic navigation skills, and a sense of time management, and a commitment to provide good service to customers. The process of signing up involves verifying your identity, your eligibility to work in the UK, and ensuring your chosen vehicles meets the platform's requirements. First, go to the official Deliveroo website using a browser on a phone or computer. Make sure you are on the correct UK website to avoid applying for the wrong region. Then, scroll down the page until you find the option that says Apply Now and click on it. Now, click on Start Application to begin the sign-up process. This will open the online application from where you provide your personal details. Next, select your city from the list. This is important because availability and requirements can vary depending on location, and Deliveroo needs to know where you plan to deliver. Click Next to move forward in the application. After that, enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your official documents, as these details will later be used for verification. Now enter a valid email address. This email will be used for updates about your application, account approval, and important instructions, so make sure you have access to it. Next, enter your phone number. Deliveroo may use this number to contact you or send verification messages during the application process. Then select your vehicle type. You can choose options like bicycle, electric bike, scooter, car, or cargo bike depending on what you plan to use for deliveries. Make sure you select the correct option, as requirements such as insurance may differ based on the vehicle. After completing these steps, you will usually be asked to upload documents later, such as proof of identity, right to work in the UK, and vehicle-related documents if required. Once everything is submitted, Deliveroo will review your application and notify you by email when your account is approved or if more information is needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.